How to change your shipping address on Vinted. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can change your shipping address on Vinted. So if you're in a situation whereby you want to change your shipping address, but you don't know how to go about it, then you're in the right place. Ensure you follow along. First of all, log in into your Vinted account, just like I've done here. And then once you've logged in, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, ensure you select Settings, which is located under Profile. So, by selecting Settings, you would be brought to your Settings page. On this page, move to the left side of the screen, where you would see a sidebar showcasing options like Profile Details, Account Settings, Postage, Payments, Bundle Discounts, etc. Ensure you click on Account Settings. Okay, then on account settings, you'll see your email, you see your phone number, you see change password and the likes. Then move to the left side again and click on postage. This deals with your posting, that is shipping and the likes. So after clicking on postage, on the postage page, you can see the option my address. All right. So for me, I have not added my shipping address yet. That is why it is showcasing add your shipping address. But for you, you would see the shipping address that you've added already. And then by the right side, you see the option change shipping address or change. So click on it or edit. It could be change, it could be edit, whatever. Anyone you see there, just ensure that you click on it. And so the next step would be for you to enter in the country, your full name, the address, your postcode, click on save changes, and then just like that, the changes would be effected and your shipping address would be changed just like that. So this is how you can change your shipping address on your Vinted account. Very simple. Try it out now. Thanks for watching.